Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Excuse me. Just want to show you today the reason why you need the wiring adapter for the horn when you buy a new one from Porsche. Alright, that's the old horn. If you look at it closely, let me put the camera in a better spot. Alright, that's the old horn. That's the old one. That's the original connector. Alright, see, it goes straight on, just like that. Alright, plugs in, perfect. Alright, now I'm going to take it off. Okay, now you get the new horn. I've mounted the horn already on the bracket. This is the bracket there for the horn. So this is the new one. Have a look at the actual connector there. Alright, so that's the new horn. That's the original connector. Look, it does not connect, and the reason why, there's no adapter. So the different plugs, so different style plugs. So now I need to put that. This is the actual wiring adapter, and the reason why you put the wiring adapter there is to make it fit. So you put one end on the actual new horn, which is the big end, like that. Sorry, the other way. Connects there, and then now I can connect the other end to the actual original wiring harness from factory. Pretty much just like that. What's happening here? Alright, just to show you, that's the adapter there. Here, that's the factory wiring harness. Now it fits. See? And that's the reason why you need the adapter. One thing is, when you get the adapter, there's a little, it doesn't fit properly. If you look closely here, let me have a look. See the little bit there? There's a little cutout there on the bottom there. See how it's all the plastic filing there? At the bottom there. There's a little plastic there that's a little cutout. You need to file that little bit down, just using a little file like that. It's very easy to actually file. The plastic is very soft. So if you look there, file that little bottom plastic part down, nice and even, just there, right at the bottom there. And then you can actually connect this part to this, because if you don't file it down, that will never go in there properly. It will just stop it from getting plugged in. Anyway, that's the reason why you need the wiring adapter, because the actual connector from factory and the new connector for the new horn is it's bigger than that's the original horn, and that's the actual. Look at the connector, massive difference. Alright, and that's why you need to buy this when you do the horn, so you can connect it back properly. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.